Dart Tutorial 1 Introduction. Dart is an object-oriented language with classes, interfaces, and inheritance. Variables are declared with the var keyword and constants with the const keyword. Functions are declared with the void keyword for no return value or the return type for a specific return value. Conditionals use the if and else keywords, and loops use the for and while keywords. Dart has a main function, which is the entry point for a Dart script. Dart supports both single line and multi-line comments. Arrays are declared using the list type and initialized with the square bracket syntax. Dart supports exception handling with the try, catch, and finally keywords. Variables are declared using the var keyword followed by the variable name and optional type annotation. The type annotation specifies the type of the variables such as int, double, string, boolean, list, map, or a custom class or interface. If no type annotation is provided, Dart will infer the type based on the value assigned to the variable. In Dart, const and final are used to declare constant variables, but they have some differences. Const keyword is used to declare a compile time constant, which means that the value is known at compile time and cannot be changed at runtime. Constants declared with const are implicitly static. Final keyword is used to declare a runtime constant, which means that the value is initialized when the variable is declared and cannot be changed afterward. The value of a final variable is not known until runtime, but once it's initialized, it cannot be modified.